morning everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name's Katrina if you're new, and today I want to do some cleaning in my kitchen as well as a bunch of organizing. So I'll show you the before first and then we will get into it. So here's the before of the kitchen, both the mess that needs to be cleaned up. It's not a disaster, but it's definitely dirty. I also am showing you here just the mess of organization. I need to find a new system for a lot of this stuff. There's just stuff everywhere and it's just not working. So we got to work on how our kitchen functions. You can see that's so full. And this cupboard too, there's just too much in here so you can't tell what's in it. Too many things. So we're going to work on these cupboards. So I'm going to start by doing some cleaning so that way I have counter space and a table to actually organize when I start reorganizing the cupboards and everything. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but I do have a child that won't let me do any work. Okay. Cheese. As you can see, this is real life, so my toddler is, well, he thinks he's assisting, so some of it is helpful and some of it I could do without, but it's part of being a mom, so try and give him some work so that he feels a part of the things that I do. Alright, so majority of the kitchen is cleaned. It's not perfect, but at least I can now organize without having to sort of put stuff on top of other things. So that should help. So let's see if we can organize some cupboards and cabinets around here. So all of the food pantry items are out of that cupboard and they are all on the table. So if you've been watching for a while, I've done some pantry kitchen organizing before. The reason it didn't last is because some of the stuff was out on open shelves and my toddler would get into it. So I eventually got rid of that shelf. But I now have a dresser with drawers, so I'm hoping that goes better. So I'm going to sort of take some of the items out again of this same cabinet, as you've seen me do, and put some of it in the drawers, and then that should give me enough space to actually organize them versus just stuffing in all of my stuff. All of my freezer bags and saran wrap and all that stuff was like at the back of this top cupboard, so I'm going to put it on this shelf here where we can actually reach it without having to pull out other things. So I think for the bottom drawer I'm going to put cans in it with hopes that my toddler won't be emptying it on a regular basis, but maybe if it's heavy he won't be able to get it open, and so that will be kind of my part of my pantry. So obviously it's not completely full, but there's a lot of mushroom tomato soup. That's just because it was on sale for a really good price, so I stocked up, but I will add more cans to that when I've done some more shopping. So I realize it's probably not a Pinterest-worthy reveal. It's not like everything matches or anything like that, but I hope that this encourages you that you can organize your kitchen with what you've got. For me, that was moving a dresser into the kitchen and putting things in drawers. It might not be the most conventional way of doing things, but you know what? It's your house, and whatever works for you is the best way to do it. It doesn't matter what you see on TV or in Pinterest. How it works for you is totally up to you. So I hope this encourages you to rearrange your kitchen, use furniture you already own, baskets, etc. You can organize your kitchen and make it more functional without spending any money or renovating your kitchen. If you guys did enjoy this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That lets me know that it's content that you enjoy. Let me know in the comments below if you have other kitchen hacks or things that you've done to make your kitchen more functional. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!